Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd. Welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about specific sales funnels. And in this one, we're going to talk about a sales funnel for realtors. This is a lead generation funnel. I think you're going to dig this one. Let's take a look at it. So you can see the great thing about this is a three-step funnel setup here. We've got a Facebook ad, our landing page, and then what I call a take action page. We're going to have some elements on that page that are going to force them to take action with you. And I'll show you what I mean in a sec here. So let's just jump into this and we'll get into the first part, our Facebook ad. So here we are in our Facebook ad manager. Now we want to go in and create our new ad and we want to customize it, give it a name. And in this case, we're going to be sending our traffic to a website. Now we can go down here, we can go in and here's where we kind of customize who we're sending this ad to. If we've got a custom audience, we can enable that and use it here. But in this case, because we're a realtor, we're dealing with a specific geographical location. We want to advertise within 24 miles of everyone in Dallas, Texas here. Now we know we've customized this. We don't want to start off with 18 to 65 because we haven't sold to anyone who's under 30 in the past. We can set this up if we're dealing with any specific genders or languages and get very detailed with our targeting. Now, after we set this up, we want to edit the placements here because in this case, we just want to go with the Facebook news feeds versus all these other options because this is going to kind of spread our ad around in places that we don't want it. Initially, we're just going to start off with the Facebook news feeds for this example. Now, we can say here as far as if we want to send this to particular mobile devices and whether or not they're connected to Wi-Fi. But what we're really concerned with here is the daily budget. We want to set this here we'll start off with $10 a day. Got this set for link clicks, and then after that's done, all we have to do is hit continue. And then we're going to go in, and this is the ad creative side of things. Now we've got a picture here that we've uploaded. We want to use a nice high quality picture, and then we just go in and customize the text that's going to show up on our ad. So in this case, we're going to say that they can get an affordable homes guide with some insider information because people like that kind of stuff. So all they have to do is just click on the ad. Once they do, they're going to hit our landing page, and then they can opt in and get the actual lead magnet from us. So let's take a look at that. So here's our landing page. Once they hit here, all they have to do is put in a little bit of information, and then once they opt in, they're going to get access to this free home buyer guide. So once we opt in, all they have to do is click the button, and then it will submit them. And on this page here, we would go and customize this with our own personal logo, and now we tell them that the information is going to be on the way. And then we give them instructions this is the part where we give them instructions. Step 1 and Step 2, because this is our take action page, because they want them to take action, and they can see there's a timer that's going to tell them that they're going to miss out on something if they don't take action and pick up the phone. So that's it. You can see it's a really simple 3-step funnel, and I'm going to have a shared link to that same funnel underneath that you can click on and load straight into your account below underneath this video. I'll also have some other free information for you to click on in the description underneath the video as well. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click on like and subscribe and share and hug and sing songs and whatever there is to click on under the videos these days. Because clicking on things is probably the best thing in the world. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video.